Yeah. See a be a fingerprint they pay ND.
You know, so when you shoot at 2.8 you don't notice it.
True.
It's like a
But
free,
it just
it's like a free promise. You don't notice it. It's like a free promise.
Tabada me.
You ever tried it? Tabada you.
Tabada me.
You're not gonna see another shot though.
Tabada me.
Tabada you. You want to wipe it off? There's some for wipe it off?
No, it's not my bag, I left it. Unfortunately. But it's clean, bruv. Clean. You see me? Yeah.
You can't go tell the difference.
No matter which lens is.
16 to 28.
Ah, lovely.
Alright, so basically before I start shooting, my friend Dash right there is actually doing a portrait session first, and then we're going to go into testing out this magnificent camera that I have right in my car right now. Let me take it out, show you guys. This is it. This is it.
You don't click record it?
No, we never did click record.
Oh, so you not hear what I'm saying?
No, your mic turn on?
Yes, man.
You turned it on a while ago?
Long time. You think about it, you laugh, because some foolishness me tell you.
No, I wouldn't be near. No, oh, your film thing too?
What you say?
Beep, 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 beep. Dash.
How what me say?
I don't know what you say.
My words are that. You know what hear me say?
Alright guys, so this is not really like a shoot off, it's just that I'm normally a Sony shooter, so I'll be using the Fuji XH2 today. You get me? I legit had to reset the camera because like there was some mishap. So let's go. Oh, we have Cloud behind the camera right there, so you see me? Watch it. Man, you look fancy, boy. Look fancy. Look steady.
Take a picture and then you drop it in the reel.
I'm gonna take a picture and drop.
Picture and then see Cloud at work.
Watch it, Cloud at work.
Yeah. What am I going to put now with this pretty flowers?
One face. Yeah, sweat boy.
Yeah.
Alright. So meanwhile Dash I do HSS. That's I use natural light. So basically HSS nice, but natural light is like the easiest thing, you get me? Because like if you look over here, Dash have a reflector. I have a light. I have somebody who's bringing the light, so it all depends if you want to do.
On the look that you want.
Who?
It all depends on the look that you want.
Yeah, all depends on the look that you want.
And it's funny you say HSS now, because I use a combination of food. I use a ND and high speed sync.
And high speed sync. Imagine that.
We put light for cut light.
Alright.
I think we can work with this little
so
bush
basically with me
like
now,
we reach at the bush.
you see him have to actually find angles where him can actually bush what him can get the backlight and himself there. For me, I just have to shoot. You see me? You know, I'll match it up. So look at all of this now. So currently this is a 8600.
Let me look at all of this. Like it's a bad thing.
Yo, it's about then. No, well, I know. It's about then.
Right.
Dash used to say to me, say, yo, yeah, nah man, you need to use HSS. I say, yo, Dash, we're not using HSS. Strictly natural light. Strictly natural light.
Until you saw the light.
Until I saw the light, it was actually good. It was actually good. It worth it. It worth it. It worth it. So, the weather kind of overcast now. Let me see how this look. Let me take my first test shot. So shooting with the VILTROX 75 1.2. Do a test shot. So that look.
Alright.
Alright. That look nice.
Let's look.
Oops. Hey, watch out.
At the bush box here. So look directly at my camera.
So the
right
good thing
here.
about this now,
A test shot.
I have a reflector. Come on
Go
this
like
side.
that one.
Two different camera shoot off. Damn, hate how the day look.
You still have my trigger on yours?
No, I'm take off my trigger. Hold up the, like you hug it like a baby when you get the baby. Yeah.
When she get the baby?
Yeah.
You have a baby?
I think I did.
You think she was with child?
With child.
Also. Okay, loving that look. Keep looking at me. Perfect. I'm not having any backlight today because there's no sun.
Yeah.
But I like what I have still.
But and that's the thing with HSS now,
little.
right? So it's best to always have the sun out. So when the sun is out, to use the key light, which is the AD600 right here, to light the subject, and then the backlight would be the sun. But most people don't understand the need of the sun overall, because sometimes people might contact and say, I want to do a night shoot, and
wanted to open
there's like, yo, some of the image them looks so dark. I'm like, yo, you need the sun. You get me? So that's what we're doing right now.
No man, they give me a smile. I don't want to smile. I want you to take your time and open the lips a little bit. There we go. Okay, look down at the flower, Sammy. Perfect, hold it there. Lovely. Look up at me now. Right, nice. I'm sure where I go with. Hosty.
Wow.
Nice.
You hear that?
Sharp. Wow.
You hear that? My flash get wow. Wow. You hear what I'm saying? Cloud water with wow. Alright, go through Pedro before we change our position.
Alright, so my turn now. You get me? Okay. Look down at like it's a baby looking at, yeah. Hold on, if you hold this finger like gentle instead of how it's so strong. Like I don't want to look like you squeeze a baby. You see me? And keep that smile. Hold on, this shirt kind of puff up. Drag it down. Okay, alright. So I'm going to go all the way out here. Alright. Yeah, keep that. Nice smile. Alright, I'm coming in close. Look a bit closer. Lovely. That's it. There's no movement with lights.
I'm taking a natural light on it. There's no like we can't shoot naturally.
There's no movement with lights.
Watch this. Right there, look at me. Perfect. How stay, Claude?
Yeah, accurate.
And said natural light on here.
That's what's scoring in.
Clear. Zoom.
Funny thing is we can't really use the screen.
Yeah, I know, right?
To determine. Because I hate my screen. I hate Sony screens in general.
That's kind of nice.
I want to see
the FX3 screen. Yeah. I prefer use the what do you call it? EVF. Right.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Like a baby. Like you practice from early.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah.
Alright, can we get some of you sitting on the edge here and cross the legs a little bit?
You still use the floors or no?
Yeah, man, can use the floors, man. Turn. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. I don't want you to lock it like a baby though. Okay. You can hold it like a regular bouquet or rest it down. Rest it down right there so beside you. And then lean towards that side now. Come over some more. But turn the knees towards Lori.
Towards her, yeah.
The knees. The whole foot, on your whole foot, so. Foot goes so. Okay, lock here, so. Look at it, huh? Lean over towards me now.
So that's sure of a pose, no? Or she's supposed to pose? Cross the leg, sure of a pose.
Twist the body towards me.
No, if you twist your body to that, if you twist your body.
I'm good. I'm good. Outshine a little parade.
That's nice, that's nice. I use HSS for that one here?
No, okay. I'm going to use natural light.
Natural light.
I joke.
Oh, crap.
I just try both.
Which lens I use? Oh, that's an 85?
I'm using an 85 from Sigma. Sigma 85. Alright, hold on there. Why is it that photographers love climbing at the bush?
That will tell them, man.
It's a thing, you know.
Watch it there, Claude.
Claude, I'm coming at the bush too.
No.
Alright, this is nice. Keep that smile lovely. Perfect, one more. Could you look towards Lori, please? Turn your head towards her. That is Lori over there. Yeah, you're not touching the water. Okay, good. Nice. One more. Could you lean up and lean towards me? So put like your elbow on your knee.
Alright, yeah, man. I like it, man. Direct. Yes, yeah. It makes my work easier.
No, man, it's on, man. Just add in line.
That's just fit, man. And the time cool.
Which part of this is time cool?
Time cool now.
You see me spread out in the bush, talk about place cool. It's
time
hot.
Cool now.
Hot, okay, see what I got here now.
Nice. Just one thing it's just that this heat, there's no
what?
sun.
Yeah, that's it.
That's off record it.
So put you up and a shoot, right? With the client. And the sun decides say it not come out. That's
You know, say to be honest now, if the sun gone, I'm just rest the light.
Your turn.
I rest the light. No, I get it already.
You get your out already?
Yeah.
Oh.
Bro, my work at the same time as yours.
Alright, come again.
You direct, you know.
And you just take your
I
shot
me just
then?
take my shot. Say acting like a paparazzi. Hey, man, drop in the water, you know.
Claude did not go further than girl.
Just show them the water. When I walk like a gunman.
Alright, so Dominique, what I want you to do for me, you're gonna be on this side. You're gonna give me all of these here. Right, I'm gonna be right where Claude is now. I'm gonna be right here. So give me all of this now. Are you seeing me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make sure you see me.
Okay.
Watch my face and things. See my face?
Watch that shot pose.
And them kind of something there.
Yeah.
Right? You wanna catch the foot and so?
Oh, you've got your foot.
And make it look nice. You can rest it there, 'cause I think Pedro wants to thread the scenes with the flowers. So that you a girl and her flowers.
Basically.
Yeah. You can arch your back a little bit too. So it shows in the upper body.
Watch your ear. Hold on there. Ear one straighten. Fuck. Shit. Mom.
Where the Pedro?
So yesterday,
You fix it here?
so go just drop off.
Nah, drop off, man. Tell Pedro say sit down properly now, man.
Alright, me now dash out use the angle, man. Another piece of bush. Alright. Oh, this is nice.
Twist the head with me, twist it to the there we go. Open the lips.
Yeah,
a little
every
bit.
crank. Yeah, it's nice.
Perfect. How this stay? Accurate, don't it?
Look to me.
No, look to me.
I like that smile.
This is where I deep Pedro waddle.
Two camera. Yo, you have to work your eyes, you know. You have to work your eyes. I change up my angle a bit from right there, so. Alright, focus there.
Okay, man, keep looking at Pedro. I can't get it from this angle still.
And change the angle a bit. Yeah. Nice. Look straight to dash.
Yo, them are mad dog.
Respect. But I don't know, since as I said, I used to love shoot with the Sony. But since they get the Fuji, brother,
This have a different level of sharpness.
it have a different look.
It might have a different level of sharpness too.
And that is it. And then the lens them cheaper by far.
This is crazy. Can't wait for you to say it them here.
Yeah. It have a nice one. Wait. And then we put my colours on it and then that's it.
Lovely. Perfect.
Ready? You're going.
Alright, don't move.
Check
So
the light. Look to the left. Look to the left.
Come on here, so.
Look to your left.
Fully left.
Somebody get confused. Yeah, keep that.
Give me another one. Could you turn your bottom to the thing? Yeah, and show me the little arch in the back area there, so. There we go. And just twist the torso towards me. Ah, you got this. I like about your shot at it, very silent.
Yeah, and I can turn it up or turn it down.
All right.
Nice. Take it up.
Can do.
Yeah, man. Do that again, Dash.
Something
Never
there,
see.
right
Talk to the list.
there. I'm going to just shoot from. No, I don't need that. Me say, I need that. You not listening.
Yeah, this is nice. Right, this is nice.
Yeah, you're
Look
not
at me.
shit there. Mad girl,
Look to Dash. Look to Dash.
look at that.
Don't look so sad. Yeah, give me a smile, man. Yeah.
Can't look at me outside, Bridget. Bright enough.
So hold on. So give me one like you get a joke, but you laugh out. But yeah, just like that. Just like that.
I get a joke, eh? So one time, two dogs drink soup.
Lovely. Nice. One more. Look at me.
And when that dog say, the soup at you.
Alright, I got that. That's all I laugh out time one joke.
Hey, because the joke that make no sense. I want them joke that don't make no sense.
See them?
But everybody there do laugh, see me.
Yeah, those are nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
Let the food, let the food.
Right.
This is lovely, by the way, Dominique.
The man show you white teeth, man.
See me, I saw me get that photo world, you know. I started shooting what I like, and luckily, everybody likes what I like. Luckily.
Luckily.
Yeah.
Luckily. Hold on, let me sit down and look. Cologne smell bossy, man.
Smell good though. Beard. The color name Beard. Alright. So this is what. See, my picture is a little bit more dramatic.
Remember, I'm gonna put it on the screen, you know.
Right? Yeah, I still have to show the viewers what it looks like in camera. It looks dramatic. Look at this and tell me if you like it. Put your eye right here, so. Oh, it's there.
Yeah.
What you say?
Yeah, I like it.
But we'll understand them if you understand, say, even though the picture looks like that, there is that's not the final part of it, isn't it? There's post-production, so that's the next thing.
At the end of the day, it's a preference thing. You know, I can't really judge a person's creativity. If persons like natural light, and some things really look better naturally lit, you know, but I like a more dramatic and dynamic type of thing. But it's fine. It's good.
Really good.
Yeah.
So basically my conclusion of all of this is just that, yo, this camera is really amazing. And it's so good that she's actually shooting with the Sony a7 IV, which that's what I used to use for photos. So guys, that is it. Oh, what that you step on, so?
Oh.
You hear that, Lo?
You hear that?
I don't know if the camera pick it up.
Can't.
Damn. Alright, come Dominic. Come guys, let's say bye to everybody.
Who may I say bye to?
Everybody, yeah, got cut out it. Can say about it.
Big up everybody. What they normally say? Watch. Oh. Like, share and subscribe.
I said like, I'm out.